Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Holistic Workshop. We have an interesting dish for you of baked vegetarian cutlets. I've shown you the ingredients. You can certainly choose other vegetables. However, I particularly like beetroot for its various biological benefits, which I have outlined here to read at your leisure. I grind these vegetables and I'm adding chopped cilantro to increase the flavor of my vegetables.
We are going to add 1 teaspoon of avocado oil to the mixture and fry it to dry.
Thank you, Alex. That was excellent. Now add its spices and make it exciting dish. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric for its various health benefits, a quarter teaspoon of red paprika just for flavor and taste, and then you can add salt to taste. I've taken half teaspoon for the mixture and half teaspoon for the mashed potatoes. Add and mix your ingredients well with the mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Make your balls and roll them with semolina. Here we go. We are ready to bake at 450 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. You may have to check on the time and flip them at the 10 to 15 minute mark. And here we go. We are ready to eat our vegetarian baked cutlets with chutney. Remember, baking is better than frying. It reduces the risk for cancer, advanced glycation products. Thank you for watching another exciting video of Holistic Workshop.